In a world filled with distractions, stress, and chaos, one thing remains your greatest tool: your mind. But what if the very tool meant to guide you is the one causing your suffering? This is what Gautam Buddha realized over 2,500 years ago, and what he discovered about controlling the mind has the power to transform your life today. Stay with us. This is a story and lesson that could change the way you live forever. Buddha once said, "The mind is everything. What you think, you become." But he didn't stop there. He compared the mind to a wild elephant, powerful, untamed, and dangerous if left uncontrolled. In ancient India, Buddha shared a story with his disciples. A young prince asked him, "Why is it so difficult to find peace, even when I have everything?" Buddha smiled gently and replied, "Because your mind is like a drunken monkey, always jumping, always screaming, never still." We live in a war, not on the outside, but inside. A war between what we want to do and what our mind tells us to do. How many times have you tried to stay calm, but your thoughts pulled you into anxiety? Or promised yourself discipline, but your mind whispered distractions? This constant noise is the root of suffering. Buddha taught, "A man who conquers himself is greater than one who conquers 1,000 men in battle." So, how do you control the mind? Buddha offered 4 essential tools. 1. Mindfulness. Be fully present. Observe your thoughts. Don't become them. Watch your thoughts. They become your words. Watch your words. They become your actions. 2. Right concentration. Train your focus. Your mind will follow what you feed it. Feed it peace, not poison. 3. Right effort. Let go of negative thoughts before they grow. Cultivate positive, compassionate thinking. 4. Silence. In silence, the storm settles, and when the mind is still, the soul speaks. There was a monk who once said to Buddha, "I have tried everything, but my thoughts keep running wild." Buddha asked, "Do you try to stop the wind from blowing?" The monk replied, "No, I simply learn to move with it." Buddha said, "Exactly. Don't fight the mind. Understand it. Watch it. Let it pass like clouds in the sky." And slowly, the wind settles. If you want to begin controlling your mind, start here. 1. 5 minutes of stillness each morning. 2. Observe your breath. It's the bridge between body and mind. 3. Journal your thoughts. Separate what's real from what's noise. 4. Avoid toxic inputs. Your mind becomes what it consumes. Buddha didn't teach magic. He taught mastery, and true mastery begins in the mind. Let us leave you with this final teaching. It is a man's own mind, not his enemy or foe, that lures him to evil ways. You are not your fear. You are not your anger. You are the awareness behind it. Control your mind, and you control your world. If this story touched you, like the video. Share your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe for weekly wisdom from the path of Buddha. May you find peace within. May your mind become your greatest ally.